if this thing's gonna fall down like this.
If you can get it to start, just on it, figure out a way. I'll pump it in there.
There you go. You can a ladder.
There you go. Here, I'm holding this. Go ahead. Boom. Where there's a will, there's a way. What's up, y'all? We're in D'Iberville, Mississippi at a flip that we're gonna walk you through the after on. Bought this property for $21,000. I'm gonna tell you what we've got it in contract to sell right now. Hopefully, if it goes through, it's almost $100,000 in profit off a $20,000 house without huge rehab. The deal was we bought it right, and we are on the bayou here, right? You can cast your fishing pole right in here, catch a fish. So we're walking through this house right here. Originally, when we were buying it, I thought my anticipated sales price was gonna be around 140, and we put it up on the market for 199. And interest rates are super high, and I never anticipated that it would be worth that. This is called an elevated home for flood insurance purposes. The cool thing is, all your plumbing's right underneath here. It's pretty easy to access. I haven't been on the inside yet, so you're seeing it with me. Great floor plan. There's a little caulking issue right here. The house before all this looked completely different. This house came out really good compared to what it looked beautiful. Yeah, compared to what it did look like. You remember that floor we just fell through? Yeah. Same thing. Jesus. But the easiest thing is it's much easier to fix it when it's below you like that. So down here, we got nice, cool place, screen-in porch, killer view right there. We turned it into a 2-2 or 3-2. 3-2. It was 3-1.
I love the master bath that you did back there.
But real simple, easy. I do love square doors.
Yeah, those are.
I think they really make it. I like lever handles.
Love that tile.
I didn't pick all this out.
Love that tile.
Yeah, and I picked this out, and so you can see. I like really.
I like this better.
I like marble looking tile. And I did not pick this. I don't like elevated sinks. I like undermount, Brian.
To me, those vessel sinks are like, they came in as a fad and went right back out.
Yeah, that was Design Liberty again.
A new unit? Or
Yeah, this would have been new.
Yeah.
So new unit here, so you can see that I do put them in.
I'll do when you have to.
No, this house is good. The only thing I do not like again on this house is that vessel sink. My flips in Kansas City, the ones that I do, always come out a lot better because I'm in control of everything.
You're seeing it all the time.
Now again, I don't even agree with my designer and half the stuff that she puts in there because I let her pick everything. Like she put butcher block on the island and I almost had a conniption fit. I wish you guys would have seen this one before though. This one was like falling out. Like everything was, we were pulling out the stuff out of the floors. It was like we had to climb, we couldn't get in, it was actually locked off. But
This is gonna be a beautiful home.
Oh yeah, this is the one you climbed in from underneath, right?
yep, 100%.
I've seen that video.
I'm happy with everything other than the vessel sink.
I think this one's great.
Yeah, came out really good though.
We're gonna keep this one white.
I think so, it's already in contract.
Oh, yeah.
Is that Hell Navy, the color? Or do you know?
My wife picked it out.
Okay.
Well, you like that?
I've used it before. So.
The thing with this house was, it was so dark stained, it was dark stained wood, and it was so stripped by the weather and everything like that, that we had to pick a really like dark color. Yeah, picked like the darkest color that we could. Anyways, this flip turned out great. The most important thing is, you're always gonna pick apart, see what you can do better, see what you can do. Anytime you're scaling though, you're doing that at a big level, you're gonna have other guys making other decisions, trying stuff out that you're not gonna like, it's just straight up. But even that said, somebody else liked it. Are we in contract? How much are we in contract for, Elaine?
190.
190. How much are we listed for?
199.
One.
I never did reduce
No.
it.
We were listed for 199.
Yeah. I never reduced it.
Oh, you never reduced
We
it?
started getting action on it, so I just left it.
Oh, okay. So we got an offer for 190. We were listed for 199. We gave them 8,000 in closing costs.
85, yeah.
And then what did I say? Any repairs that they're asking for,
Will come out of the closing contribution.
closing contribution. That's a way you limit your exposure.
It's a great way to do it.
What did you comp this house at originally?
169, 179, something like that?
165 is what you told me.
Did I?
Yeah, and I thought 155 originally.
Yeah.
We came in here, I said, I think the market's hot. Somebody is paying the price. We're getting $30,000 more than we anticipated. Product always can be better. Always, always, always. Don't you feel the same way with your houses?
It's always, it's never perfect. It's just, you don't have all the control that you wish you did. If you were a contractor and you're in there working every day, you'd have the control, but you don't, and people are making decisions for you.
Bottom line is, it's in contract. Acquisition was 21,000. Rehab was about 60,000. And
Crazy.
And those numbers are insane because most guys that I talk to that are leveraging, and I know you've heard this too, guys in Vegas, they'll leverage 400,000 to go make 50 grand. I'm making off 80, 100. I just always figured do more with less. You know what I mean? Make more with less. If you're not, if
So
you're,
much less exposure. I mean, it's just unreal.
if I do 5 houses like this a year, I make 500,000. I'm gonna do a bunch of ones like $400,000 or $500,000. I have all this exposure. I like hard money. I like doing those things. But I love when I can get I call this a home run. When you can get like this is a freaking grand slam. I never expected it. The other one took way more time. I like smaller houses.
Yes, the smaller.
I like smaller houses. The bigger houses, I know we all talk about this, where can you make your money flipping big luxury houses? Hell no. Flipping small ones. Josh, you talked about it the other day, flipping big houses. It's all about flipping small houses. If you want to learn how to flip, you want to learn how to wholesale, you want to learn how to find good deals, you want to learn all of it, subscribe, follow, share, and sign up for the coaching program if you want to get started. Peace.